What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Pietta 1851 Navy Snubnose Black Powder Revolver 36 caliber 3-barrel case, hardened steel frame. This is the box that it came in. Hey, that's kind of cool. The new West has arrived. Okay, I'm gonna open it in just a second. Alright. Hey, that's kinda cool. Comes with this. I know there's not a lot of videos like out on this one. It can't be that many videos. This book feels so unreal. So many papers. This book is just like a brochure of like basically the little Snubnose. This is how it looks. It comes with one of these. This thing is like real oily. It comes in this plastic. Oh, it's so oily. It got my hand sticky. Alright. And this. Take it out of this bag. Oh, that's in my hand, y'all. It is inside of my hand. This is how it looks. Yes. This is how it looks. That looks pretty cool. I guess that's the serial number of which one it is. I'll wipe it down some. They got some other. It says something on here. Okay. Yeah, feel me? Yeah, this guy is fire. Oh, that's still. There's that. Well, I'm not gonna talk too much about this gun right here. All you need to know is that you need some black powder to get this thing shooting. And once I get some black powder to get this thing shooting, and I go to the range and test it out, you're gonna see some crazy videos. But you know, this is just this one. Yep. You know, Jay's out.